Okay, a quick run through on how to get this shield up and running. As you can see, I've got it attached to the laptop and the shield's mounted on top of the Arduino version 3, revision 3. Ignore these connectors I've soldered on, they're just so I can get at the unused ports. First thing you need to do is install, if this thing will focus, the Arduino GFX library. Are you going to focus? Maybe not. Does not want to focus. That library, Adafruit GFX library. Install that, and also one called MCU Friend. They're both available through the Library Manager. That's the one. MCU Friend _KBV. Then, once those are installed, you need to navigate into the Libraries folder under in the Arduino base. Go into the MCU Friend KBV folder. In there you'll find MCU Friend KBV.cpp. That needs tweaking a little, a very simple tweak, which is to uncomment a certain line, which is that one. Define support _8347D. The actual display card sold by Banggood appears to be the HX8347G, but that's covered by the same thing. Save that. Then next thing you want to do is probably try one of the other examples. There's a very general under examples in the libraries folder again. I found just doing that the graphics test _KBV works straight away. But then next thing to do is to calibrate it. This is pretty straightforward. You need to open up down in the examples here, touch screen calibre native, the INO file there, and also you'll be needing a serial monitor at 9600 baud. Okay, so if you upload and run that, I've already uploaded it onto this device here, and as you can see, very tiny text, but it says press screen to continue. And then this calibration thing, it highlights each of these in turn, each of these crosses in turn. Press and release, press and release, press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release, press, release, and finally press release. It gives you a little report there, but it also has the same information in the serial monitor. The lines that you're probably most interested in are the two in the middle there, It's const int xp equals 8 that I've got here. Const int, the next line is const int ts left equals. Although I'd suggest you just copy and save the whole lot of it somewhere safe. Then next thing you want is to go to the touchscreen demo. Just give me a second. Oh wait, one thing. Kill off the serial. Okay, there. Touch Shield New under the examples is the one to go for, I would say. And in here you will find 3 lines, well, at least these 3 lines you will want to be changing. Now, I noticed that the values that I, oops, try again, dirty mouse mat, those lines here, the name doesn't seem to really be significant. The const int that starts xp equals something, and the const int that starts ts underscore left equals something. Those 2 lines are the key ones, and you should have values for those taken from the serial monitor before. I noticed my values were wildly different than the ones that were given as a default in the file, but they worked fine. And once that's uploaded, compiled and uploaded, there's that. Oh, rebuilding, sorry about this. Alright, it's going through. And it's got the title I gave it a few minutes ago of my lovely, does not want to focus close up, damn thing. But anyway, touch screen somewhere. And now, I don't know if you can see that, but it's giving a numeric value for the point on screen where I'm touching. Then, if I click exit, it goes onto this, by which I can now draw. Oops. Still got the plastic surface cover on this, so it's a bit different colour. There we go. And there you have it. Pretty straightforward once you've found the right bit of code.